Hello, it's Gary Farraking again. Here's my third installment of my technology here. Is Nearpod.com. You can create a free account for teachers. Um, so let's get into this. So sign up my Google account, go there. So you can create these. It's kind of lesson plans. They can go on to be interactive every class that they can be on their computer or iPad, and you ask questions along the way, and you get data right off the bat, which ones you're paying attention, which ones are not, which ones are understanding, which ones are not. The best way to do this is go to my library, and we'll go on a live lesson. No, I do not. So this would be the code that your kids would have to sign in, YSGND. You can send it to Google Classroom, link, social, email. So this would the kids would see. You have it blown up on your projector screen, so develop empathy. So obviously the kids would read this. The kind of thing, nice thing is that you still have your code up here, so just in case kids get kicked off, it's right up here. All right. What does it mean to put yourself in someone else's shoes? It gives you definitions. And let's get started. So introduce empathy. So those videos show up, and you have the ability to put it just on your device or all devices. I think that's kind of cool. So as I'm going to just put it on this device only. I won't play the video because I figured you guys don't want to get bored with it. But anywho, so write down the definition you think of empathy is. So you would have your student, they write down the answers, and then you would see how much participation out of your class you have, which is pretty interesting, I think, is they'd be able to get information right off the way. Today's lessons that we're going to learn about empathy, how we use it to connect with other people, and so on and so forth. It kind of just keeps on going like that. You have collaborative board. Would you like to approve students' comment below the board? Yes or no. You hit yes. So if they want to come in here and say, hey, that is pretty neat, they sure can. You can post it. Boom. Right there. You can like it, or you can just get rid of it. Alright. Or you can share it. Also, yeah, you get your most recent or likes. Let's get to reading. You read a short story. How do you feel? You got an A on test. Like I said, has some more results. To me, I think this is like when we were talking about blended learning earlier in this, not earlier, a couple modules ago. I think this is where we might be heading towards blended learning, but I think this is a pretty cool little thing that you can review the scores, you can share them. This can go right along with it, and you can see how your kids are doing, stuff like that. Another neat thing about this is you can resume it later, yes, so you don't have to go there. But you can create a new one. I won't get into that, but I think you can actually search for lessons, but you have to pay for those. But when you create one, you don't have to pay because you hit create, and you can add and drag slides in, add content, add web content activity, stuff like that. So I think this could be a nice thing to do as a teacher to keep your kids all interested in class. I think this goes right along with the IST learner 1A, the applying the pedagogy and trying to help them to understand the content as a learner. And I think the CK1 design, so because you can design it and you can actually do the representation of it. So I think this is a great thing. Like I said, the downside is it's not totally free, but I think you can use it to your advantage if you want to. Thank you.